Aloha, namaste, y bienvenidos a mi casa. Welcome to my home. My name is Desi Bartlett, and today I'd like to offer you a very sweet and simple movement practice and meditation that you can do when you feel like it's time to call in your baby. For those of you who have been on a fertility journey, or perhaps you just feel in your soul that it's time for your baby to be with you, this is for you. So I'm going to ask you to begin in a comfortable cross-legged position. Sit up really, really, really tall through your spine and feel the crown of the head rising as the sit bones press down into Mother Earth. Close your eyes and take a moment to slow your breath down. As you slow your breath down, slow your thoughts down. And I'm in my backyard in Hawaii right now. I can feel the breeze dancing through my hair and the beautiful song of the birds in the background. So whatever setting you're in, allow yourself to connect to Mother Nature and feel how the earth rises up to support your body weight. Let's bring the hands to the heart, bowing the head slightly, and taking this opportunity to set a clear intention for your practice. Think about what it is you'd like to call into your body, your mind, and your heart. And again, collectively, we are working with the intention of calling in your baby. Let's inhale and reach the arms all the way up to the sky. On the exhalation, draw a line from the sky to your third eye and then to the heart space. 2 more times. Inhale, reach all the way up, fill the body with breath and light. On your exhalation, connecting the vision of the mind with the vision of your heart. And just 1 more. Inhale, elongate your waist. Exhale, hands to Namaste. Interlace your fingers, spin the palms, inhale and look up. Exhale and round your spine. 2 more times. Inhale. Let the heart rise through the gates of the arms. Exhale and round. And just 1 more, please. Inhale, draw the arms back. You can look up and exhale and round. Let's place the hands on top of your thighs and simply begin to circle the upper body around in one direction. So my sit bones are still pressing down. I'm sitting up on a block. You can sit on a block or on the floor as long as you're comfortable. But I'd really love for you to start to generate some energy that moves from the base of the spine up to the middle of the spine and then all the way up to the crown and beyond. So in the lineage of yoga, there are many different styles, and perhaps you've heard the word Kundalini. Kundal means cage, and it's this really interesting idea that the energy in the first 3 chakras, in our first 3 energy centers, is sort of in a metaphorical cage. And so we want to invite it to rise. We want to draw it up and keep lifting and lifting and lifting so that you feel that spiral of energy that moves from the base of the spine to the crown and beyond. 1 more great big circle, and pause here. Hands are at the heart, and even though you have paused the external movement, you can still feel the internal spiral of energy as it rises all the way up to the crown and beyond. Inhale, open your arms wide. Lift your heart center, lift your gaze. Exhale and wrap your arms around yourself, embracing yourself. 2 more times. Inhale. What is it that you're calling in? Exhale. Or perhaps I should say, who is it that you're calling in? Is it your son? Is it your daughter? Inhale. And exhale. And imagine that beautiful, sweet baby in your arms. Good, and then let's release the hands ever so gently. I'm going to ask you to come onto your hands and knees, and your hands are shoulder width apart, your knees are hips width apart, and all you're going to do is sway your hips from side to side. Good. And now let the hips move over in one direction and bring your ear towards that same side hip, and then all the way over in the other direction. And we'll do that a few more times. So simply swinging from side to side. Feel your lower back release. One more. And now we're going to circulate the hips. So in the same way that you were circling through the abdomen and the upper body just a minute or two ago, now we're going to circle those hips all the way around. And again, we are inviting in that spiral of creative energy. Good. So the first three chakras, the first one is what connects us to Mother Earth, Muladhara, and the second is at the level of the reproductive organs. So if it resonates with you, you can imagine a little bit of energy starting to fill your lower belly, waking it up and staying receptive, and letting the energy, letting the movement be really fluid. And let the energy move into your abdomen as well, the third chakra. It's called Manipura, the city of jewels. So you can imagine a little bit of sunshine there. One more. And pause here. Watch for the change. Inhale, look up to the sky. Exhale out through the mouth, round the spine. Two more. Breathing in. And breathing out. And now this third time you'll exhale through the tongue. So you inhale through the nose, lion's breath through the tongue. And come back to a flat back, neutral spine. As you're ready, one knee and one hand stay down on the floor. Take the opposite arm up to the sky, really lifting through the arms and lifting through the heart space. Breathing deeply. Good, and we'll simply take it over to the other side. So it's a simple and easy flow so that we can allow the body to settle in meditation and not feel the need to fidget or wiggle. We kind of take the fight out of the body, if you will. One more big breath. And now as you're ready, come onto your knees. You can bring your knees together, bring one hand to your heart and one hand to your abdomen. Close your eyes and we drop into meditation. So the third chakra, again, Manipura, the city of jewels, is like sunshine. And when you're not pregnant, it's appropriate, it's okay and recommended to invite in a little bit of fire. But when you are pregnant, we want it to be just like a warm glow. So even if you aren't pregnant yet, even if you are still on this fertility journey, I'm going to speak to you as though you already are, as though you have already spoken into existence your baby, your new role as a mother for the first, second, third time, whatever it is, and the beautiful relationship that the two of you already have. And now allow yourself to feel that in the heart space as well. Notice if your body is naturally moving a little bit, perhaps it's rocking a little bit forward and back in the way that you would soothe a baby. And from the heart center, it's called Anahata Chakra, from the heart space. Imagine a beautiful cord of light that's moving from your heart to the spiritual heart of your baby. So perhaps that soul has not come to the earth plane yet. That's okay. You can still connect to your baby soul. It's as though you can traverse the veil and feel the connection. And allow your little one to know that you are open and receptive to their timing and divine right timing. And that you are creating an open, receptive sanctuary in your body just for them. Perhaps you even feel a little bit of warmth in your hands, warmth at the level of the reproductive organs, warmth in the heart, and feeling and affirming the relationship between the two. And if there's anything else that you would like to share with the little one who is choosing you to be mommy in this lifetime, something personal perhaps, you can do that now. I know that we are going to be together, whether it's through my body or someone else's. I surrender the need to control, and I stay receptive to however it is that you show up in my life. I love you so much already. And again, if there are further personal messages, you can speak them aloud or simply say them in your heart. Good. If your body is still gently rocking, just like a pendulum swinging, allow it to find balance and center. Let's release the hands, turning the palms to the sky for a moment, allowing the hands to be receptive as well. These are the hands and the arms that you will receive your little baby in with so much love and joy. We bring the hands to the heart, bowing the head. We close our practice by saying Namaste, which means the divine light in me recognizes and bows to the divine light in you and each of your children, those who are already incarnated, those who are yet to incarnate, and perhaps those who are going to find you in a different way. I'm sending you all of my love. Namaste.